today I am wrapping up the last school things I need to do at home that pertain to safety, trying to keep those kids safe as possible. So I did 4 more sneeze guards. This one is a big one. They're just single ones that would block 2 kids. That one, because Walmart was out of these little ones, so I did 3 little ones, 1 big one, and then of course I have my big sneeze guard that can seat 4 kids at one table. So the next thing I'm going to show you is, and I cannot believe I never thought about doing this. Okay, so at my reading table, I always do these like crate seats with material, little tag, cute, but this is hard to keep clean. The material is if it gets dirty. So I decided to go to Walmart, buy a shower curtain. I bought this. It was $9.96. And I'm going to cover the material for my seat cushions with this. So that way it's easy to wipe. I don't have to worry about germs. It'll be super easy to wipe. I pulled this out of the garage. This isn't the crate that I use, but I just wanted to show. It fits nice. It has the little tag if I want to lift up. But it fits nice, and it's clear and plastic to keep it clean. Have no idea why I did not do this the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm doing it. So I already had this one made. So the first thing I need to do is take the staples out of the hook, which I just use a screwdriver. Okay, so I took just the little strap off. I'm going to set it up here. Of course, staple gun, that's what I used the last time. And for me, it helped when I started with the long edges first. I just don't think I want to turn it over. I just still cannot believe I'm just now thinking about doing this. Don't really have to pull this side tight. It's the other side I will. Now I'm going to pull this one as tight as I can. Okay, then now for the sides. This is what it looks like so far. And I think I have too much on the side, but that's okay. I'm going to actually start with this side first. Kind of doing it like wrapping a present in a way. I don't care what this underside looks like at all. This side's, I think I did too much. I think I'm gonna cut some off. By the way, my husband hates when I use a staple gun towards me. If I miss it, it'll go right into my chest. It's just easier for me to use that way though. And there we go. Looks like this. This side looks pretty crummy, but it doesn't matter. Now we're going to put this back on. I'm going to measure using the one I've already made. Let's just make sure it fits. And it fits. Perfect. I'm going to continue making the rest. I forgot to share this, so I've bought 8 of these poster frames to make the shields that I've made. And this was my first one. It came cracked and I couldn't see it right there. So I just used some tape to tape it back. Before I head back up to the school to drop off seat covers and the rest of my sneeze guards, I'm gonna show y'all what I did today for my own personal kids to help keep shields, masks, sorted and somewhat organized so we can leave on time in the morning. Okay, so Loki leaves out the front door because he parks out front. So I've taped him up. I need another command hook, a bag with his masks in it. And then is Kevin's, mine, Kinley's, Harper's face masks. That baggie is extra with lanyards and extra masks. Then here's the crazy thing. Here's all the shields hung on command hooks so I can take them off and it won't ruin the paint. And then there's some. Just wanted to show a little bit of my organization. So let's head up to the school. Okay, so I just set everything up that I brought from home. First of all, I wanted to start with the numbers on my floor. Right now they are 3 feet apart, but if I don't have that many students, of course I can space them 6 feet apart. Thing right here, to get them on the floor, they don't have to sit, stand, just to get them away from their tables. These spots are 3 feet apart, but like I said, if I don't get that many kids, I can space them to be 6 feet apart. And then this, and I was able to cover all 6. I don't have all 6 out though. Then you can see my guards. I have trash. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tables that will guard 2 kids, 1 table that guards 4, and then I have 2 desks. Kind of just have to wait and see how many kiddos I get in to see what I need to do next. But my line 3 feet apart goes to the number 14. I mean, I could make it go longer if I wanted to wrap it around, but figured I would just wait and see. let me scoot back so see how much open space is up there. The spots are not in a straight line because I kind of staggered some of them. So there's my room so far.